How to fix NFC not working on Android. Hi everyone, I'm Yasu60. Today without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. Here, go to Bluetooth and device connection. Then here, turn on NFC. After you've turned on NFC, search where your NFC connection is and you can try it. And if it does not work, go to tap and pay, payment default, and make sure it's one of your contact and make sure it's not none. And after you've done this, go back and scroll down, go to apps and notifications. In apps and notifications, click on app info. After you click on app info in here, simply scroll down and search for NFC. After you find NFC, simply click on NFC. And after you click on NFC, you can simply find storage and cache. Click on it, press on clear cache. You can do this. In my case, I don't have NFC in here, but if you find it, clear cache and restart your device, then you're good to go. This is how to fix NFC not working on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.